last video, I spoke about mission statement, which everyone should have for themselves. Now, I got some few questions where really people wanted to know like how important is that and how do they find out their mission. So finding out the mission is completely a different thing, and it takes time to understand how to go for it. But then if there is something which is beyond your normal career or normal work which your soul calls for, and you know that is something you resonate with 100%, and also it gives you some kind of soulful satisfaction, that could be your mission, which might not involve money in it and which might not give you a profit kind of thing. So here I bring you few things which will help you if you once you're clear about your mission. So these few things are: one is a mission will always offer you a kind of motivation. So it is why it is important, that was my point, because why it is important that apart from your normal education, apart from your career, if you feel there is some higher calling about some work which you want to do, then that is your mission probably. But you know, you cannot just identify mission in just one sentence. Then you have to work on it, you have to write it in a paragraph, or you have to write it somewhere and then check it with your happiness, check it with your quotient of connection which you have with that mission, and the pains that you can go for achieving that mission. That could be your mission basically. If you create a mission and then you consider it through all these points, if you get a proper answer, then probably that could be your mission. So how mission helps you in life is, you will always be connected to your life purpose. That will be enough to motivate you every day to get up and do something beyond your normal routine. And also it will give you a much better sense of where are you heading to. So you might have heard about from your colleagues or your relatives, your friends, that I don't know what I'm doing, I'm not very happy, I'm just studying because my parents told me, I have done this because my parents wanted me to do this. So they are lost. So you won't be in a place where you'll be lost. That is the best thing that you can get if once you are clear about your mission of your life. So if you remember the last video which I posted where I spoke about this mission, I told you that please find out one mission which you can connect to. This is why I have been like pestering on this, because that one mission might not be just one liner, it could also be a paragraph that you can write about. As I said, that it should resonate with your soul, it should resonate with your mood, it should resonate with the passion that you can give to that particular mission. So all these things will decide finally like whether you actually have a clear mission with you. And once the mission is done, this is for surety that when you get up in the morning, you will not be drained out just because of the boring lifestyle of the or the career that you have chosen, and you're not interested to work on it. So and also I would like to point one thing, because I've already created a few points for you. So I want to tell you one thing. See, when you create a mission for yourself, what happens is, even if you put 20%, 80%, you are in your career you're busy, but 20% also if you put effort in that mission, you will see the benefit. And when you start seeing the benefit, you might change your ratio also. So not to jump into your mission immediately without being convinced, or without being understanding, without having that clarification. But once you are done with that, the kind of mission that you have created, you will find that the 80% of the workload which you were taking with no interest suddenly changes, and suddenly it works in your favor, because now you are so much into your work. Apart from your work mode, you are so much into something which you are passionate about. So this is why this is important, why you are here, what is your life purpose, what is your soul hankering for. So if you get a proper answer, it's not like that you just have to write it in one liner. Please make it a paragraph, please make it 1 or 2 pages if you feel so, and then you can shorten it, and then you can decide about like how precisely it comes to a particular mission that you want to have in your life. I hope it helps, and do let me know if you're still struggling to create a mission for yourself. Thank you so much.